Hey guys, today we're going to scrap an old-fashioned pushmatic breaker. You don't run into these very often anymore, but when you do, they're kind of nice. Not too hard to get into. Got a couple clips you want to push out of the way. Both sides. One on the bottom. Do that. Usually pops up pretty easy. Goes into the metal tin. That's what you got. Everything comes out pretty easy. This is what we're going for. This little piece right here is your silver contact. Of course, you're going to want to cut off your copper, you know, and put that in your copper bucket. And then you also have a piece right there. Now to get to this guy, you just break the breaker itself. There you go. Real quick video. You get a couple pieces of steel, couple pieces of aluminum, couple pieces of copper, and then a couple pieces of silver. We'll see you on the next one.